My logic behind creating this workout or making this kind of routine was to really get into isolating a couple of small muscle groups that we don't really look at. Neck, for example, and traps are usually done with shoulders, but I decided I want to do it with neck because this time around, during this week or the last 2 weeks of this hybrid, the idea is that if I am trying to do a chest workout, so that's a push workout, try to do a pull workout with it. So that's something like back or biceps. Now, chest and back has been the most common combination. So I want to kind of get into an uncommon routine, which is chest and biceps with forearms. So that's push action and pull action. And today was back, which is a pull action, and traps technically falls into push action because it involves the shoulder muscle group. So even though we're not doing shoulder presses, we're doing traps, and it's actually like I don't know how to describe it, but it's actually the opposite muscle group because you're not using the pull muscles, but you're using a different set of muscle group which is going to be useful for push action. So that's why I kind of decided on this kind of routine. Second important thing is that I wanted to have a routine that can actually focus one particular day on the neck. I have never seen any routine focusing on the neck, although it doesn't require a lot. That's my assumption, or that's my feeling, that's my opinion, that you don't need a lot for neck work because neck anyways is a muscle group that is used throughout your workouts. Kind of thought that it would be nice to integrate this into this routine. Most of the workout is all about back. There are 3 different workouts. The first one is I think is a superset. The second one is probably a giant set, and the third one is a superset. I'm sorry. The first one is a drop set probably. Second one is a giant set, and third one is a superset. So yeah, there's variety, and it's not just limited to isolation of the muscle group. Towards the end of the back workout, I have the Renegade row on the medicine ball, which is a very functional routine. It really focuses on your core. Again, I'll say this again, I said this in my previous video too. Core means by definition the foundation. If your core is weak, everything is weak. So in every workout, I try and get some sort of core workout. So it's always good to take care of your core and make sure everything else is in place. And so that's it.